Hey guys, this is my BoxyCharm unboxing and I got this look using my box this month. If you guys want to see how I did it, just keep on watching and I will show you what is in here. So first we have the little pamphlet that says Boxy and Chill. That is the theme for our box this month. I think it's super cute. I love the theme. That's why I wore this purple sweater, and it doesn't really go with the lips, but I try to make it work as best as I could. The first thing in the box that I used this month was the eyebrow pencil. This is the $1 Billion Brow eyebrow pencil, and it's in the shade Universal. That is the color right there. And this retails for $18. The next thing in the box that I used was limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette, volume 3 palette. There are all shimmers inside of this palette. There we go, if you guys can see. The only one that's like more of a satin is Tiki right here. Super nice, creamy, and they're buildable eyeshadows, which is really nice, and I love the packaging, love the big mirror. This eyeshadow palette retails for $36. $36. Next in the box we have the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask in a 2-pack. Didn't have time to use these. I will update you guys when I do, but I'm sure they're amazing. It's Tatcha. I always wanted to use these, so yeah. These retail for $24, a little bit more on the pricey side. Next thing in the box that I actually did use first is the Briogeo leave-in conditioning spray. Now this is not a full-size product, but it is a really nice brand. So because of that, I am okay that I did get a mini this time. And a leave-in hair product is always super nice. It smells really good. The only downfall is that it kind of spritz a little bit of it everywhere. That retails for $12. And then last but not least, I think, right? Yeah. Last but not least, we have the Ofra liquid lipstick, long-lasting liquid lipstick in Miami Fever. If you guys can see that. And I was super excited to get this, not only because it's their new packaging, but because this is Miami Fever. This is a product that Kathleen Lights collaborated with Ofra with. This retails for $20 and I really love it. Good product. That is everything that came in our box. And if you guys want to see how I got this look and how I use the things in my box this month, then just keep on watching. So let's get right into the makeup. I'm gonna start off with the $1 Billion Brows pencil. Hopefully this is good because I'm kind of scared. It was a little creamy when I first watched it, and I'm not normally into creamy products like that, so okay, so to be honest, it is a little bit too creamy for what I like, and it is a little bit, I don't know if you can tell, it is a little bit thicker. Like here is from precisely my brow, and do you see the difference? Like, I don't know if you can tell. I don't know if you can tell, but for me, that is a huge difference for the tip. So if you have naturally really great brows and you don't have to do so much precision, this probably would be for you. And the color is a little bit warmer than I would prefer, but it works, and I get where they put in this color. So now that I have my eyebrows done, I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow palette. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. And I'm gonna go in with a big fluffy brush and the shade Tiki. And I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. Okay, let's take the shade Malibu, which is the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm just gonna put it on the outer corners. Okay, so far what I'm noticing with this shade is it does have pigmentation, but you do kind of have to build it up. This palette is definitely like an everyday type of palette, like super natural looking. Like obviously this isn't natural, but very neutral, natural type of glowy makeup. Let's take Heat Wave, which is this color here. And I'm gonna take Heat Wave and put it on my eyelid. And then let's go back into that Malibu shade on the fluffy brush and make sure that it's all blended. So now we're gonna take Escape, and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. I'm gonna take a little bit of Treasure as well and put that right on top. And that is super pretty. And then I'm gonna take a little fluffy brush for under my eyes, and I'm gonna take that same Malibu shade, dust it off, and go right under. Let's go ahead and try this Miami Fever by Ofra liquid lipstick. This does not go with my outfit or my makeup. My finished look with the Boxy and Chill box. Yeah, leave-in conditioning spray, I would say, I mean, it made my hair smell really good. And it is soft, I can say that. This is my BoxyCharm for the month. Thank you guys so much for watching. It would mean so much to me if you guys would subscribe to my channel. I'm going to try my hardest to at least do one video a week. Like if you guys like this video, and comment below what you guys want me to do next. I do have a lot of videos in mind that I want to do, but having your comments would really help. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.